the rules was about. Huh? Yes. Okay. Well, we can start here briefly because we are not much in how is how your admissions?
What I would say, the figures that we are giving you now should not go with that. If you want to ask our workmate and the work that you do, maybe you can ask next week who's paying the call. Yeah, then they know who are the consultants. When they hear they are not there, because they know the information. But now since they are calling and they are hearing their part, you can see the info.
Hearing they're coming on the in the
So the workload is really picking up. Yes. So you want to start from there?
I think we can just start from there.
Okay.
Yeah, is that your general view? It's one zero to one, but we see that.
So that you're able to see this is supposed to be part of the work. Then
Can I start with this one? Just explain the work.
so this is the work activity. This is the building has the laboratory. Yeah, so this building here, the laboratory, the accident and emergency center. So the accident and emergency center is quite
Transition areas. So some of those structures, do they still remain? The entrance still, will you relocate some of those? Because of the way you're going to have these buildings, so that entrance is as expand this way, and then maybe that kind of Muko, and this now becomes really like your main area. Once the main area. This will be Yes.
this is we put public information. Health information.
Kuna share kidogo iko na so hizo mliripei kama mlizalisha mabati wakati mnatoa kama mna replace na ile zinaonekana ni kati kama hizo
and this one is not painted, eh?
yes. Remember that profile, these are profiles when you are replacing these ones. It's like a mabati hi, what? That's not unaonekana. How are you? You are good? Okay. Sawa.
Ukimwira tweta imwa yukambadi
Muriega maitu. Oro wanyu. Oro wanyu habari wazi. Kana bado. Nigweterera. Oro wanyu. Niki kaira irathi kahora kana atia.
irathi kahora
Kama athondekana na marahithia maũndũ
wega
okay nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkũ tũrona ũtegũthiĩ wega mũno
rĩu tiga no mũgomo ũcio ũrarĩho rĩ na no tũcokie ngatho tondũ nĩũragĩthirire
nĩũrathirire
na gũtirĩ mũrurumo ũkaga kana mbura yuraga na thĩkĩre
nĩguo
rĩu no gũkũhoera ũthiĩ na mbere tu na kũruta wĩra na mũkĩiguane mũno na mandagĩtarĩ mathĩna mokaga magĩthiraga
na andũ nĩmakenda kũiguithania hena rĩrĩ hena mũbango mwega nĩgetha rĩu mũbango ũyũ mwake wega andũ maiguithania na ũiguithania ũcio nĩũikaraga nĩũrũmaga rĩu nĩkĩo tũrakĩgwĩte kathoto tũiguithanie na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire nĩgetha nao makĩrute wĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire nĩguo kana tiguo rĩu ndona ta tũgũthiĩ wega
ũiguithania ũcio nĩũtũkenetie ona gũkũ macinani
nĩũmũkenetie
biũ
ona ithuĩ tũrĩ akenu tondũ ũkĩiguithania na nĩngwĩhoka rĩu nĩmegũthiĩ na mbere na wĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa njega
nĩ hega
sawa angĩkorwo hatirĩ ũndũ mũũru rĩ na mũkang'etagia tondũ kaũndũ kamwe kana tũraigire tunasema ikwishe daktari na kusiwe kuna shida yenye ielezewi watu wetu ni kwamba kwa hizi hospitali zetu madawa zipo. Hiyo message we watu na muka mukoria kana ni madawa nĩ ndehe na mukenda kwĩyonera kana tiguo ni nigetha rĩngĩ hagĩkohe mũndũ ũmwe ũngĩkorwo rĩngĩ na kaũndũ gake gakwĩraga andũ atĩ mũthi mũgũre ndawa handũ fulani rĩu ũcio tũkamenya ũhoro wake no rĩu aya me gũkũ ndona tarĩ andũ ega na ndigũ cia haku mũranĩtwo no ndawa ciĩkuo ndawa daktari dawa zipo na ndio nimesema watu wawe kama wakikuja mtu kama ni kuwekwa zinawekwa watu wanajionea na macho ya kwamba dawa zipo. Unajua ni zenu hizi dawa na tunatumia pesa zenu kununua. So hata wewe ukiambiwa wewe enda chungulia, angalia uulize iko wapi hiyo dawa, unasema iko ama namna gani ile tigu. Ni nega wakati wewe na uira na mundu ngiru nake agĩkwa nake nĩ kwĩrũcikĩre okuo no tũtikĩrĩ na ũhoro ngwendaga tuone ũrĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere na he mawĩra twĩgĩte tũkũruta gũkũ ma gũthondeka kuongerera macini gwĩ kũndũ tũkwerũhia hanini nyũmba ingĩ haha kũmwe gũthondeka kwagĩre Leo kini kiatuma njuke. Kĩo nĩ maũndũ marathiĩ
Nĩguo.
sawa. Agĩkorwo hatikĩrĩ ũndũ ũngĩ rĩ, mũgĩthondekwo na nĩ nyambe ng'etie.
Rĩu mũgĩkĩrua nĩ ũkũmetia. Na niĩ no njĩkĩrĩa bandĩte ndĩrandaga ũrĩa ingĩkuona no ngwenda gũkuonera obici.
Ũkwenda kũnyonera wabici?
No njĩre rĩrĩa ingĩkuona.
Tũkũnyita mũthuri wĩtagwo Ngarũi ũyũ. Nĩgetha tũgĩthiĩ ũguo rĩ, mũrĩkanĩre nake kaũndũ ũyũ nĩwe MCA waguo. Agwĩkĩre guoko, akũrehe nginya wabici, ũke ũhe ũhoro. No angĩkorwo nĩ kaũndũ tũngĩng'ung'uana haha ndagĩka igĩrĩ na thiĩ na riboti rĩ, niĩ matu makwa no mega no ngũthikĩrĩria.
Nĩguo tũkũmĩmuanĩra mborĩtie.
Andũ a gũgĩkua ndeto. Nĩ rĩu. Rĩu twaranĩrie haha tũrĩkanĩrie.
Tũgũkĩra hau.
Ona ndĩ harĩa Thibitari. Tu abura.
Mũrĩhire mũthĩ. Okay, ule yako mbona wapi biashara hebu mwite kuja soda chini ile chukani okay makoro lele ngetha tuonere uria Rekemete mũndũ wa SHA nĩ athiĩ kũgĩrwo nĩgetha oke akũrĩkĩrie ũhoro ũcio o thaa ici. Come my friend. How are you? Salama. How is that? Sasa huyu ni mtetaleta
Gavana wangu. Mana nina wako, ojo kile anaita. Oni ende hapo. Hadiah tu kira. Akadi. Hadiah.
Sasa ameshindwa kueleza kile kwa anasema. Siko
Ndĩrakĩrwo arĩ ona andũ me mbere yakwa. Ndĩrwo ena andũ me mbere yakwa.
Facilities, the ones that make offer such services. Mtandao system wetu ndio urumbisha haduri toginyagio nĩgetha tũnyitane na arĩa angĩ mahũranaga mbica kuoneka kũrĩa no macini ĩno ya CT scan ĩno nĩ also there's a new dental. Okay, Kurora na mgomo kwa madaktari na wenzake. Sema mgomo ndio tunataka shamba hili. Mara kwa mwe. Na wale watu wengi. Neka vijana na kuhoro. Yes. Sasa mashini inatupenda people are you able to attend within probably a day? You would say you'd be better off with two. What is the demand? All this is among the new team.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so we are not adequately staffed, but nonetheless, these departments themselves.
How many we have in the overall? The recruitment is not yet. We'll see who needs to be added when. We will be having a bigger conversation around HR. I think that one you agreed. Looks like the people agreed with that. But also the people involved with you also work very responsibly. But the CT scan is also who attended.
So we had that issue, we reported to the country geographer, but yet we have not had the service. And that's why we had this one. We put this together and we were really having an issue.
Okay.
That one,
Is this part of the old stock or new stock?
that one we found it here,
We have a
but all
portable
the
one.
probes are not working. We have only one probe working. The other one, the linear probe is not working.
No talking in this one.
This one, the linear probe is okay, but the issue was with the database and servicing.
And servicing. Yeah, but in terms of efficiency of the machine, its speed, its whatever, and
That's what.
Sure, we have an abundance mindset. We
you know you need. So we can agree that we supplied the other day. Looks like there were more modern. So for Tigoni, one of the changes and bring a more modern.
Exchange.
We just service it. Yeah?
You can change with new stuff. So that you have not treated the number as many numbers as here.
You can even go to a smaller facility. Then this will take to a smaller facility that has no this. Because it has been at a smaller facility. Sasa tulisema lakini kwa hii nili kwa pharmacy zetu tulisema kwa vile stores iko na madawa. Iko na madawa. Najua sasa sisi tunafanyanga display yetu ya hapa kama ile zile display za huko kwa so stock ya viazi iko kwa gunia, lakini unawekelea viazi mbili pale mbele. So when people have the mindset to believe that there are no drugs when hakuna madawa huko because of what they see, and that's why we say that as much of variety of the, you know, let's also have sorts of wadawas, because the way they stay here is the same way they stay in the store. As long as we have got a good management system of the flow and dispensing of that drugs. That's the most important thing. So that you know from your store accountable. Yeah. And I believe we have automated. We have a computer.
Yes, we the stock management is actually done by the
Yes. And this is one of the hospitals where we have our stocks here, but let our You also talked of changing this counter to
and inform the contractor. So it's part of the things that he's to consider. Yes, yes. That is part of
the contract. Na the rest of the things wanakuwa wameweka mzuri huko zinakuwa zinaonekana. Who is in charge of this?
Uria. She's a doctor or in the
No, the training.
So when she's away, who's responsible?
Together today.
The
Timely.
Okay.
He's the one with the now.
So now you're the one with Why are you escaping you don't believe in yourself?
I do.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm asking is, how are our drugs levels, fast drugs, how are our levels in the store?
Almost 80%.
80%.
Yes.
And non-farms?
We are not customers of non-farms.
Yeah, but we just recently received both supplies of drugs. These are probably even above 90 plus of both the drugs, because they were just received less than a month ago.
But let that be reflected also from your dispensing area, really. Because you see, we have quite a number of us here, maybe probably attending towards this. But let also that image be what is seen here. What about the different regimes of drugs? Is there any regime where we say that this particular types of drugs, maybe the NCDs or others, mainly? Do you have any specific shortage?
I'm not receiving any information. Do you have any shortage?
No.
Yeah.
Of any of the...
No. But the fast moving is the MPC's drugs.
Yeah, so the NCD drugs are the fast moving drugs in our area, considering the population
Yes.
they are the patients.
Yes.
But right now we are well stocked.
You're well stocked.
Yes.
Yeah, from the prescription.
Yes, we completely manage with the system. So as the drugs come, they reflect and the prescribers they go to know what we have in stock.
Okay, that's all. The last issue that we raised when we were talking about the dispensing of drugs is a conversation with your consultants and doctors on the specific prescriptions they do for certain ailments. Because you have alternative. That should also be part of what this discussion is done, has happened between the ones that are prescribing and the ones that are dispensing. And tell me that I have to take Maramoja, and Maramoja is over, and you have got Panadol in stock. That person knows that Panadol is in stock is what is left there. Yeah, because that thing we found in most of the hospitals, you find that
What we appreciate about our pharmacy is that they do give the regular drug availability list. So everyone. They inform pharmacy, so that pharmacy considers them also in their orders. So we have an active MTC also. So that decided
The pharmacist can be able to search that. Is that the same conversation with the pharmacist? Hapa pharmacist ya hapa hivyo ndio bado tumesikiliza ya kwamba unaangalia pesa na ile alternative wewe uko na the power capacity lazima ikuishi. Yeah, we must finish that story. That's all. Very soon we are going to be greeting you when I'm in the office. Tutaweka mtandao wenye tutakuwa nasalimiana asubuhi, tunaona vile mnafanya na nyinyi mnaona vile ninafanya nikiwa huko. Na registration watu wa maybe to ikinya tamu elimu akaili ubole kwa sababu ndio kugira kushikisha kitu mtu na dikta no hata no
não vale tem não. Korea ni au kule Miami
ile tu ndio kumse no wako una kana
Nzuri sana. Ya, asante sana. Karibu, asante.
Okay.
We had a few things, and then we also saw something about the mob. The last time. The mob.
For the road, yes, outside.
How are you, my friend? You all right?
So this is our drugstore. These are the plates, the heavier items, and the accessories are on this side.
Yeah.
Then we have the different categories. No, we don't have CCTV. Actually, a special space for the hospital is we have CCTV.
What don't we do to revive that CCTV thing for all the continuing facilities? We do one and integrate it in the system. Because we had that assessment. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I think we had that many. So why don't we do that thing for all the 14 facilities? We do the CCTV. Hapa ni mahali umekuwa au ni mahali unakuja?
No, this was not factored in that current weekend. Yeah, it's not factored in, so we are looking to see if we have any money left so that the roof in the ceiling can.
This needs to be done. This one needs to be done. Other would rather even as you are organizing your funds in the near future, maybe like 2 months or so, or 2-3 months, we'd rather be factored in. He does one is on ground. Yeah. then malipo mnaweza kumlipa baada ya miezi 2. What you mean? Ndio akitoka awache kama amefuatia kazi yote, alipo ile pesa iko kwa mkono, ile yenye haipo atagojea kidogo. Bora kuwe na ahadi mzuri na kwamba we are going to pay him for sure. Yes. Ndio, lakini asiwache namna hii wakati unafanya kazi mzuri.
Afadhali mahali tuziguze, lakini mahali tumiguza ni kama iko mzuri.
So we have our antidiabetics on that side, the antihypertensives on the upper shelf.
But the stock that is in here also is captured in your system.
Yes, all our stock in the QRP system, and it's all managed by the QRP system.
Nakumbuka ile dawa nzuri sana ya sukari. Tukaambiwa is only big.
No, you know, some drugs are supposed to be highly specialized, but we also try to give our patients the best. So we also try to keep up with Fika. We try to keep up with Fika.
So this is one of the best in...
it's one of the more modern management for diabetes.
Okay.
Yes, and we have it here.
And then you go...
Yes.
Okay.
And it is here.
Okay. Yeah, so that's okay. That's good. You don't have a lot of complaints with SHA?
No, it's just that we, in terms of the services we are offering, but hopefully we're able to follow for reimbursement. I think
that's the main question. That's what we're asking on the reimbursement. So that there is a balanced flow. Out and in.
Because I think nationwide that is the complaint for this.
So something we are preparing a document. Briefing you soon.
What kind of ratio are we looking at between outflow and back?
It's not good.
It's not good.
Towards the end of the year, the balance tilted. We are not giving more than
receiving by far in a big portion, big ratio.
We received about 600.
600.
And we are given services of 1.2.
That's not good. 50-50.
Yes.
That's not good.
They are holding our services by 50.
So mobile there that's different.
And the road
Oh, the Galliga. Now, they could get down and get it down. They could get down and get it down. You can't